So hello everyone, today we'll see problem 557, reverse a word in a string. So here we are given with a string, and what we need to do is that we need to reverse each word of the string. For example, let us see that it is God got ding. So at first we will take the first word and then reverse the word, that is dog, and then this ding will be reversed to gnid. So this kind of problem can be solved by uh, the approach which I'll tell you guys now. So uh, we can create two pointers in such problems, and we will keep the pointers here at the first word, and we will keep one pointer here. For example, we create two pointer here, L and R. We will keep our L here, and we will keep moving our R, and if that R finds any space, any gap between the word, then it will reverse the previous word, and then we will make our R to the next word, and again we will move our L to the next word, and again we will keep moving our R till we found the next space, and then we will reverse the previous space. So let us solve this. So we will create two pointers, int L and R, and we will put it as 0. Then we can create a while loop where if L is less than s dot size till the size till we didn't reach the size, we will keep on moving our L and R. Again we will create another while loop while R is less than s dot size, and if we find any space, if s of R is not equal to any space, till then we will run the loop, and then we will keep on increasing our R plus plus, and then we will reverse the word s dot begin plus L comma s dot begin plus R. So our two pointers are here at the starting, and then we will increase our R till here, and since it has found a space, so we will reverse from here L is 0, so L is here at this point, and our R is at this point. So from here to here it is reversing, and then in the next statement we will move our L to the first word and our R to be same as L. Then we'll put L as R plus 1. So R is at the space, so we will increase it by 1 so that it will be pointed at this point, and we will make our R as L at the same place where L is there. So we'll put L and R at the same point, and then we will simply return our S, which is the string. So let us try to run this. Okay, so it is accepted. Let us try to submit this. Okay, so it is getting accepted. So thank you guys. Do support me if you find this video informative for you. Thank you.